In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the MGC 5x5. So let's get right on to the video. So right now I'm just taking the plastic wrap off. Okay, now I did it. Alright, now I'm just going to take it off. Alright, so now that it's off, here's the box. All you have to do now is just to take this sleeve off. And how do I take it off? I can't even move it. Oh god, I don't want to rip that. Why is it so difficult? Oh, finally, it's doing something. Whoa, this is so difficult. Oh. Alright, let's get right onto the cube now. Oh, there's another box, and it's taking so long. Okay, finally. Alright, we have the cube and an accessories box. Let's just put that inside. In the accessories box, we have springs, magnets, so 2 sets of springs. So this has a plus on it, this has a minus on it. I think that's a weaker strings and this is tighter strings. There's also washers. So yeah, and that's a magnet. So great thing with that, and a screwdriver. Well, why is it flying away? So screwdriver. Alright, with that being said, let's just get on to the cube. Let's just peel the plastic wrap off. Alright, wow, this feels very smooth. Yeah, also very quiet right now. Okay, so I need to tighten the tensions a bit, and yeah, I think after tightening it, it'd be pretty good. Alright, so now that I've tightened it, let's just do some turns. Yeah, it feels much more better, much more stable than out of the box. Half turn feels a bit too tight, so let me just try a quarter turn now. I'm just gonna loosen this just by a quarter turn and see how it feels, because I don't know how it feels, so I'll just do that. And yeah, so quarter turn feels much more better. Doesn't feel like it's going to pop that much, but it feels less. Yeah, it feels much more better. Alright guys, so I've been using this cube for a day now, and this cube feels really good. And this cube's feeling is similar to other YJ puzzles out of the box, that is. After breaking, it does feel much more better, and I did add some lubricant, but it didn't affect that much. And one thing you might want to note, if you're getting this cube, there might be some spring noise in the cube, so it might be a bit springy and it will not sound that good, so you might want to have some lubricant with you. So yeah, that's it. But overall, this cube feels really good. Out of the box, you just have to tighten it just like with a quarter turn and it will feel very good. I did take off the logo though, because it kind of looked bad for my patterns. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a like button, consider checking out these 2 videos, and click over here to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys all next time.